Yes, of course. We will do immediately, Frank. Memory bank is very important for our research. We have to create individual data for all our clients. Memory bank is very useful for our research and will develop our business bigger.
Yes, of course. France, Russia, America, and Japan developed like this memory bank research. You have to start this research in India also. You have to start the procedure immediately.
So
Daddy?
we will do hard work.
Daddy!
1 minute, Frank. I will get back to you. Continue.
Always you're doing work.
Uh,
You're always with the laptop board meeting. You can't even spend 5 minutes for me, Daddy.
it's a very important meeting. Cannot be avoided. Had a breakfast?
No,
Had a tablet?
it's already late for work. Karthik is also waiting for me. I'll take it later.
Don't listen to what I have to say. Okay, love you, bye.
Love you.
Don't forget to take a tablet.
Very caring. Bye.
Whenever I see her, my mind was full of Raja Sir song. Raja Sir, you are legend.
What, Karthik? You look so handsome.
Huh? Who? It's me.
You only, da?
Are you teasing me? You didn't see in this shit before.
No. If I say like that, at least you will say that I'm beautiful. You are such a waste fellow, man.
Excuse me, madam. Sorry for everything. It's time for office. Shall we move? Come. Shall we move?
Our press office, number 1 position 2, comes to number 2 position. What is the reason? Any ideas?
What is the reason, sir?
It's because of useless people like you.
You do your work. I will do my work.
Good morning, brother.
Hi, bro. What happened, bro? You are looking so smart.
Brother, don't
What
tease
is the
me,
reason?
brother. I went to my native.
I think he loves someone. So that only becomes fine.
Brother, I already committed. I'm not single like you, okay?
Hey, what are you saying?
Hey, don't see him. He's coming. You work something. Hi, brother.
Hi, bro.
Sit, brother. Hey, how is man? How is going on?
Hey,
Eh?
what, da?
Hey, nothing. We are simply talking.
Something seems like
Hey,
that
hey.
you're gossiping about us.
Nothing like that.
Why, bro?
Hey, leave me alone.
Hello.
You are preparing gossip.
Hey, what I am saying here, he is eating biscuits now.
He'll ask where is the thesis paper. I want to kill him like this. Good morning, sir.
Every day you are coming late to office and also in meeting. Just go.
Psycho.
Almost, you all completed your 2 months of training period. 1 month is remaining. Still, no one knows how to take the case and analyze it. Still, you don't have any basic qualities of the reporters. What are you guys thinking? Every day you are coming like this. It's not a good manner for reporter. Within 1 month, you have to take the case and analyze it and present the thesis in my table. Meeting is over. Thank you. Ashwini, this is the last warning. Don't come late.
Okay, sir. Shit, it's you.
What? Are you scary?
I was already angry. Don't make me angry anymore.
Why? What happened?
It has been 3 months in the journalist job, Karthi. He's scolding me that I can't even analyze a single case. I have to submit the project by end of this month. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Leave it. I will take care of it.
You'll take care?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
let's have a try.
Hmm.
My uncle is a police officer actually.
Okay.
Definitely, there are a lot of cases. We can take any interesting cases and we'll do it. So don't worry, leave it.
Hey, super Karthi. Then please talk to him about this.
Surely I will do it for you.
Then okay.
Hi Karthik, how are you?
I'm good, uncle. How are you?
Yeah, I'm too good. Have you waiting for much time?
No, just now I came. Do you need coffee?
Whatever your wish.
2 cold coffee.
Okay, sir. 2 minutes.
Hey Karthik, I met you long time back.
Yes, uncle. I have a lot of work in office, so little busy. What, uncle? Are you still angry?
Hey, you know very well about me. Why I am angry with you? You are?
No.
What I say? Just some misunderstanding with me and your father. You just leave it. Take it. 20 years case details here in file.
Okay.
Whatever you want, select it. One important detail.
Tell me, uncle.
Don't tell anyone I have given this, okay? Otherwise it will become a problem.
Sure. I will take care, uncle.
Then Karthik,
Uncle?
to whom? For your girlfriend? Hey Karthik, I know everything. I'm a police officer.
Uncle, you are super, uncle.
This is an accident case 3 years before in ECR. This case, 3 peoples are involved. This case
Okay.
is withdrawal. Go to next. This is the pending case. 5 special forces have been sent, but still we couldn't find the case. Show me the next.
Oh.
Wait for a minute. Yeah, tell me, Murugan.
Someone kidnapped a customs officer's daughter, sir.
When?
Today morning, sir.
Which place?
Neelangara, sir.
Are you sure?
Sir, SP came to the station.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Sir, please come fast,
Yeah,
sir.
I am on the way.
Uncle, what happened?
Nothing, one important case. I have to go. You carry on.
Uncle, coffee.
You just had. I have to move immediately.
Huh.
Every day, same issues, same station. Yeah.
Sir, what do you want, sir? Who are you, sir? Sir! Sir!
Hey, who's the editor? Huh? Hey, who's the editor? Call the editor. Hey, sit, man.
Hello. What's the problem?
Hey, are you editor?
What do you want? Tell me, sir. What happened, sir, exactly?
Huh? Baby crying.
Sir, please don't tease me, sir. If I know the problem, I can solve it, sir.
Problem is not for us, only for you. Who has spoken bad words about our leader? Who?
Okay. Problem started.
My leader is doing this or that. That is his responsibility. What is your problem, man?
Sir, please don't make noise, sir. It's a time to come see you. Whatever it may be, we will discuss, sir. Please calm down, sir.
One second. What problem?
Oh, you are the CEO? You want to have press office to make just one call. You want to see?
What you said? You have only 2 minutes left. You can call anyone. What? If you want, you can call your leader also. You told you will destroy this press also, right? Rekha, Bangle. You do that. Or else, put this bangle.
Hello?
Tell me, Virda.
Sir?
Where are you?
Here only, sir. Press office.
Who told you to go there? Already she looking at our party be like a joker. Why are you two going alone there? Tell me.
Sir, what is this, sir?
Get it from that place first.
Already 1 second is over in that 2 seconds. Only 1 more second is left. Get out from this place soon. That will be good for you.
Hey, you talking too much.
Hey, idiot! You get out!
Hey bro, why is she talking like this?
Hello, Rekha.
Hi, Ashwini, tell me.
Is Karthik there in office?
No, Ashwini, he's not here.
He said he's going to his uncle's house by 3 o'clock this evening. I don't know where he gone. He's not at all picking my call.
Why? Something important matter, Ashwini?
Yeah, it's important only.
Then, okay. If I saw Karthik, I will inform him.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Where he gone? Chhe. Karthik. I don't know where he gone. Everyone submitted the thesis. Oh, he'll scold me. Shoo, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Oh,
Sorry?
What, Karthik?
Take it.
What case is this?
Go and submit.
won't reject, right?
It will never reject, okay?
I'll go and submit now what you said. If he scolded something, I will kill you.
Okay. Go and submit. He can't scold you, okay? Go.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. It's good. You brought a good case for being idle all day.
You are also sitting simply.
1 or 2 days, I will talk to the chief and get the approval.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Where is your ID?
It's in my bag, sir.
Don't come to the office without ID, okay?
Okay, sir.
Go.
He don't have any work. Thanks, Karthik. What synopsis case you gave me? He said okay after seeing that. I'm so happy.
Okay, I mailed you that case copy. You go through it.
Okay.
Okay? Then see you.
What he's saying, man, he's making lot of stories. If he asks something, he will not do. If she asks, he will do everything, no? Yeah.
Bro, mind your business,
Yeah, I am
bro.
not saying anything.
It's too late. If you sit like this, what happens to your body? Take pills, drink milk, and sleep.
Daddy, I'll drink. You just go.
I'm telling you for your own good. Go to sleep.
It's okay, Daddy. I'll drink. You just go from here. I have work.
Go to bed soon.
Good night. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
What happened?
Some bad dream, Daddy.
I'm already told to go to sleep.
Shit.
This is what will happen if you sit like this without listening to me. Please go to sleep. Where do you hear me saying? Come. First you go to sleep.
No, Daddy.
Come on.
I have some
I said
work.
come on. Come. Please take rest. 1 minute. Please have it. First put the tablet. Don't worry, nothing. Slowly.
Enough.
Okay. Take rest. Don't be afraid. Don't worry, I'm here. Good night.
Bad dream. Excuse me, sir.
How many mistakes in one paragraph, huh?
Sir, at
Shit.
that one.
Just go. Go and type another one. Go. Shit.
Good morning, sir.
Huh?
I have been trying to call you for 2 days, sir, but you did not attend my call. That's why I came here, sir, whether they have agreed with the thesis report or not, sir.
Oh. Actually, I forgot to inform. They are not approved this case. You try to take another one. Okay?
Sir, you only said that it was interesting case. Now you are saying like this, sir.
Yes, I only said. But chief not approved this. What will I do? Tell me. And this also old case. You try to make it new one. If you handle this case, it will be a big problem. We can't do anything.
Sir, is it a problem that our press does not see the case? You only said it was interesting case, but now what happened, sir?
See, even police department also quit this case. If you do further investigation, if any problem, I have to say answers to everyone. Please try to understand me. Take another case, okay?
Sir, please, sir. Can you speak one more time for me, sir,
It's not
please?
at all possible, okay? Here you are senior or me, huh?
Sir,
Just go. Take another case, okay? Always coming useless
Sir.
cases.
sir. Sir. Please, sir.
Do you think you are a kid? Please understand the situation now. Just go. Find the new case, okay?
Sir. Shit.
Hello.
Karthik, where are you?
I'm outside, Ashwini. Where are you?
Can you come to the office and pick up me?
Okay, well. Then okay. After I go home, I will pick up you.
Okay.
Okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, I'm leaving.
Karthik, can you come home now?
Hey, Dad isn't home.
Daddy is not at home, da. Night duty. He said he is having some kind of emergency case in hospital. So, you come, no problem.
Dad is not at home. Right. Okay.
Hey,
Huh?
why are you laughing crazily? I said come inside.
Wait, coming.
Karthik.
Huh?
2 minutes.
Okay. Hey, we have to propose today. Come on, Karthi. Oh God. What a girl. Shoo.
Hey! Hey!
Nothing?
No!
Please.
No!
Just one time, please. Hey.
Leave me!
Hey. Hey.
Who's this? Somebody's here? Karthik! 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 Karthik!
Ashwini? Ashwini? What happened?
Karthik!
Ashwini?
Karthik!
Hey,
Karthik!
what happened? What's there?
Someone is there.
Who? Hey, Ashwini, no one there.
Someone is there, Karthik.
No one there, Ashwini. Okay, you first sit. Sit there. What happened? Tell me.
Nothing.
Relax first. Calm down. Please. Relax. Just calm down, okay? No one there, Ashwini. What, Ashwini? There is only 1 hour for 12 o'clock to celebrate your birthday. But you are sitting there scared like this. Okay, see, don't worry anything. You will see morning. Okay? Go to bed, take rest. Okay?
Okay.
Ashwini, advance happy birthday.
What gift is this?
You open it after. Okay, you take a rest. I will go. Okay?
I have written this novel under the pen name Karuvi, which is true story that happened in a village called Komalur in Kodaikanal. A couple named Devika Tamilarasan in Komalur have 2 daughters. The eldest is Samudra and the youngest is Devakanya. The family was living peacefully. While living such a beautiful life, the watchman Nedunchediyan comes home asking for work. Tamilarasan invites him in and talks to him and gives him a job. Days passed. One day the younger daughter Devakanya fell on the steps while playing. She had injured severely. They take it to the doctor and they fix it. One day there was a sudden scream. Tamilarasan, Devika, Samudra and 3 are screaming and watching. Devakanya is afraid of something. Devika, Tamilarasan, Devakanya all say peace. Devakanya is mesmerized. Devika, Tamilarasan, Samudra did not understand anything. That night, Tamilarasan looks at Nedunchediya through the window. Some changes in him. Suddenly, he laughs. Suddenly, he cries. He talks to himself while Tamilarasan was watching this. The next day, the watchman Nedunchediyan called and injured. Tamilarasan slaps Nedunchediyan to the end of the argument between the two. The god walks out with an angry glare. The next day at 11 o'clock, the electricity is suddenly cut off. Reason is Nedunchediyan. Tamilarasan house stands with a knife and angrily enters the house. A few hours after entering, the security guard comes out covered in blood. Meanwhile, Devika Tamilarasan, Devakanya and 3 others are lying dead in a flood of blood. Only Samudra escapes from that place to save her life. She ran away from there. Part 1. What happened? Seems to have a link between this thesis and nightmare. What it will be?
Hi.
Hi.
What happened? You asked Arjun to come? Thank God. Can I order something? I'm so hungry. Excuse me?
No thanks.
What? No thanks.
Yes,
Hey,
we'll order later, Karthik. Karthik, you gave me one case synopsis, right?
yes.
What do you think about that?
What do you think about that? They said no, right?
In fact, after they said no only, it makes me interest even more, Karthi.
That's right. If you took that case, after they reject you, your effort will waste, right?
It will not be wasted, Karthik. We'll do without knowing them.
If they get to know, they will terminate you.
It's not a problem, Karthik. If we are proceeding this case, you should not be a reporter. Just you should use your brains.
Are you playing? You are doing this thesis for your job, right? Now you are saying your job doesn't matter?
Karthik, I feel incompleted. Why don't you understand my feelings? My life is like a fill in the blanks. I wish every day anyone can fill my blank space. I'm eagerly waiting, Karthik. Why you don't understand that?
I am the one of the reason for that, right? Why should I take that case and give the book to you?
That's what I'm asking you. Why do you want to take that book and give it to me? Like that, wherever I'll go, I felt like someone is following me, Karthik.
You mean that ghost is following you?
Do you feel that I'm joking with you, Karthik? Can't you understand my feelings?
Okay. Relax. Chill.
Leave it, Karthik.
What do you want now? You have to take that case. That's it. Okay, you do it. Whatever the problems comes, I will help you. Stop crying, please. Shall we order now? I'm so hungry. Huh?
Ashwini, breakfast ready?
Oh, it's already late.
Come on.
Karthik is waiting for
Up.
me. Bye, Dad.
Hey, what happened here? Why are you going without eating? He's
He's
coming.
always late.
Hi, buddy.
The office
what
time
a
is
heat
9, but
outside.
he reached here 9:30.
I think the time is correct to pick up and drop off, so that's why late.
What is your problem, man? You know that is press ID card we cannot use anywhere. Only in front of police we can use it, okay?
Yes. I also got catched by the traffic police. He asked a license. I said no. He asked me, where are you working? I said, working in Irmikaram press office. Immediately he sent me away.
Where? In jail?
Stupid. To my house.
Hi, bro.
What next, Scotty?
Why are you, bro, laughing?
Don't you know the reason to use press name properly? You are using unnecessary thing.
What is saying?
You all know the press power? Huh? Hey, how many years you are in this world? Don't you know?
What will he said today?
A pen has a value. A pen has a power to start your journey. A same pen has power to end your journey. If you understand this, you will become a good reporter. First, you understand this. Those people can't understand. Even you don't know?
Karthik,
Huh? Yes, coming.
See the time. How many
okay.
times I told you to
Okay,
come
come.
fast? Let's go. Sir, sir,
Yes.
can I get the address of the author of this book? Please help us, sir.
See, so many processes here, ma'am. And it's very difficult to find him. It's not so easy, ma'am. And it also 10 years old book. Like this, 4 members are came earlier. We just found the book. What you are going to do is, just come next week, okay? I will try.
Sir, urgent, that's why.
I told you no. I have a lot of work. Come to next week. I will try to find, okay?
Today also I'm getting late.
Ashwini, are you going to office? Please have breakfast.
Daddy, I'll go to office and I'll have it. It's already late.
No, please, first eat.
Daddy, it's okay. Bye.
That's not a big problem.
Come in.
Yes, yes. Hey, you are always happy.
excuse me,
Sir,
Wait for a second. What are you saying? Okay. Hold on. Tell me, madam.
sir, last week we asked about that author address, sir.
Oh, that author address. Ma'am, you just go and come tomorrow, okay? Hey, they are not understand my situation
Sir,
anytime.
same thing you said last week.
Same thing will tell you tomorrow. Go. You tell me, man. Then, hey, you got a cover? I don't receive. If money come, I will finish my work. What I'm saying, I don't mean it. Oh, you telling last time we got a cover, right? Have you seen that?
Sir,
I want exactly
please
this.
make it soon, sir.
Hey, you hold on the line. Now I will give you all the details, whatever you want. Hey, just hold on.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, tell me, man. Yes. Then what happened? Hey, don't tell me anything, huh? Okay.
What do you want?
Oh my god, he is calling. What I am going to say?
Madam, writer Kalidas is there. I want to talk to him about book. That's why.
Oh, I see. Okay, come in. Come, dear.
Sir,
He passed away the causes of heart attack before 1 week. I can't believe this. Suddenly, everything will be done here.
Madam, we came wrong time, I think so. We will come another day. Sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Tell me, what's the matter?
Tell them.
Madam, sir had written one book.
Please wait a minute. He wrote many books and gave full stop to it. But I don't know why he can't give full stop to this book. That causes him big grief and pain. This is the only reason. If possible, you can put a full stop in this book.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely we will do something for you.
Thank you so much,
It's
madam.
okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll leave, ma'am. This is why, Karthik, we had been suffering for so long time. Anyway, we got it. Anyway, about this case, Karthik.
See if it is him.
Show me.
Karthik.
Yeah, he is only brother. That case file.
Hey, just give me the case file and that book and run away fastly.
Otherwise,
Karthik.
Hey, go.
Hey, give your bag.
You rascal. Kill him.
Hey, hey, catch him. Hey, hey. Bro,
Karthik.
kill him, bro.
Kill him.
Karthik.
Don't try to escape.
Hey,
Come on, kill him.
Karthik, please
Bro.
come, Karthik.
make a circle. Come on.
Karthik, no. Please, Karthik, come. Karthik, come. We leave from here. Karthik.
Bro, like that.
Karthik, please come, Karthik. We'll go from here.
Hey.
Karthik. Karthik. Karthik, please come. We'll go from here. Karthik.
Ashwini, you go.
No, please.
Ashwini! Ashwini!
Let's move. Move. Go fast.
Hey.
Come fast.
What happened? What happened here?
Nothing, Dad.
Nothing, uncle. One small accident.
Accident?
No worries, uncle.
Sit.
If she
Please
take
sit.
rest, she will be better. You take care, uncle. Ashwini, I'm
Okay,
leaving.
thank you.
Bye, uncle.
Dear, do you have pain?
Nothing to worry, Dad. It's a small accident.
You
Leave
know how
it.
paining it is for me. Come, let's go to upstairs.
Who are they? Who is that? Who? This number.
Hey, what happened? Have you got the information from the book?
Who is that?
Hey, what happened? Have you
I
got the
already heard
information
this
from the
voice
book?
before. It's like familiar voice.
Have you got the information from the book?
Who is that? How they got the senior reporter number?
Tell me, Karthik,
Ashwini, where are you? Come to office immediately.
what happened, Karthik? Is there anything important? Why are you asking me to come at this time?
I said come. Come first.
Okay, I'll come. What happened, Karthik? Why did you ask me to come urgent?
Nothing, Ashwini. The people who stole the details from us, I have found the people.
What are you saying? Whoever comes, we should not leave him, Karthik.
Oh, whoever it is.
Yeah, whoever it is.
Maybe it was your father?
What?
Hmm.
Why does my father should do this?
You have to say.
No, Karthik, you are lying. My father will not do like this.
Oh, am I lying to you? If he say, you believe? Hey. 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 Tell me. Tell me the truth.
Your father Rajendran is reason for everything.
No, no. My father?
I don't know the reason behind this. When investigating this case, they have started watching you. Do you know? He is the only person against you in this case from the beginning.
Hey, don't tell lie. Are you telling the truth?
It's true only.
My father. I don't know why he's doing like this. What should I do now?
Ashwini, you have to say that.
I will tell you.
Okay, come, let's go.
I don't understand anything. Why would he do like this?
Ashwini? What are you thinking, dear?
I don't understand who to trust and who not to trust, Dad.
What? Why are you talking like this?
I can't believe the people that we trust most. It's hurting like anything.
I think that case file. What happened, baby?
It's nothing, Dad. Just a small problem in the office. It will be all right in few days. I feel sleepy.
Did you sleep without pills? Please take it. Have it.
Shall I believe him or not?
What happened?
It's enough, Dad.
Lie down and sleep. Good night. Okay, I will. Sleep well. I have the book. Okay. This book is the cause of all the problems. I am burning now.
This book in father's hand? Is it true what Karthi said? Wrong password. Shit. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Okay, yes. Got it. Atmika.
Kill him. Don't leave them. Kill him. Kill him. Don't leave anyone. Don't leave them. Go and kill him. Go. Kill him. Don't leave anyone. Kill Ashwini? Ashwini? Ashwini will know everything. Come fast. Make it fast.
Ashwini? Ashwini? Where is she? Ashwini? Where is she? Ma'am?
Uncle? Uncle?
What uncle?
This is why I told from beginning. You should not do this case file. Now, because of you, a murder happened injustice.
What do you mean? It's me.
Yes, of course. Because of you. You're the reason for every problem.
What are you saying? Are you saying that I killed him? Hello? Are you trying to frame me for someone's murder?
From the beginning of that case file to this time, I was watching both of you moves regularly.
What? You both are caring about that case file?
Eh, what man? Case? You don't know the seriousness of this case. First of all, you know who is Ashwini? You know her. She's my younger sister, Atmika.
Hey, who is there in this time?
Even if it is the book which we are studying or the case which we are taking, whatever there is inside may not be true. Understand, Karthik? You always think everything straightforward. That's not correct, Karthik. Every story has an another side. Like the story said in the book, everyone didn't die, Karthik. What happened means, in Kodaikanal there is a place called Kamanur, where we born and grow up. Like everyone, we were happily living there. Me, mom and dad, and my sister Atmika. Like that we are happily living. Then one day, Atmika was playing with the dog. Doggy, don't run! Ah! She fell in the steps and the head got injured. My dad's friend, Rajendran uncle, he was a neurologist. He came and checked and started the treatment.
Hello.
Give me the bag.
What happened?
Actually, she playing well. But suddenly... She told me have a pain in the back of her head. I don't know what happened to her. So that's only I told to him to call you.
Give the report. Okay. Nothing to worry about.
Okay, sir.
I will give her a tablet and take it continuously for 15 days.
He
Okay,
told to take
care.
tablets 15 days continuously. Even after that, she is not okay means he told to call him. But after that also, there is no improvement for her.
Well, you stay out.
Okay.
Atmika, show your eyes.
Suddenly one day, Atmika was screaming like anything.
Atmika!
We all rush to her
What
and
happened?
see what is happening.
Admika?
What happened, my dear? Nothing is there.
What happened?
Nothing, ma.
What happened,
Nothing
dear?
is there.
What? Don't be
worry.
afraid. Nothing there.
Nothing to worry.
It's okay, dear.
Don't worry, Atmika.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Nothing is there, dear.
Don't worry. We are all
Nothing,
here
dear.
with you,
Atmika.
okay?
They are
There's
with you.
nothing.
Chill.
You don't worry. Hey, see.
What's this, dear?
So we called again Rajendran uncle.
Welcome.
Look at her. Suddenly she fell down like this.
He was explaining something new sickness which we don't know.
Come outside.
We don't know what is happening.
What happened, my dear friend?
See, Sophia. Actually, keep only one thing, and that is travel. Take for example, a teddy bear. As far as we are concerned, that is lifeless. But alive as far as she is concerned. Not only a toy, but also a form of fear in the mind. Thinking about it will give you headache and eye pain and running nose too. All this should be a sign for her. Am I right?
Yes, uncle. Always she tell she is having headache. But
What?
we didn't take it serious.
What is this? This is the big problem. It should not be left as it is.
What we have to do right now?
Did you know that this is the problem?
Yes.
We will start the treatment immediately.
Okay.
Listen carefully. The child should not be left alone, okay? And should be kept indoors. Thereafter, follow all the medication I mentioned.
Sure.
I will tell you everything on phone. I will go to Bangalore for a seminar. Back in 2 days.
Okay.
Leave it. I will take care. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Take care.
Okay, uncle.
Bye.
So Rajendran uncle told that within 2 days we can start the treatment like that. But the change we never expected was started from there only. Doggy, don't run. Stop there. Please stop there. Doggy, stop there. Doggy. Mummy!
What happened?
Daddy, she was
What
there
happened,
only.
Charu?
You go and search there. Hey, you go.
Atmika!
Atmika?
Atmika!
Atmika?
Atmika.
Atmika!
Atmika. Atmika. Atmika.
Where is she?
Atmika.
Atmika?
Atmika. Atmika.
Atmika!
Atmika? Where are you?
Atmika.
Daddy! Mummy!
What
Daddy!
happened?
What's this? Her hands full of blood. Atmika? Atmika? Look at me.
Atmika.
Atmika!
Atmika?
Atmika!
Atmika. Tell me.
What happened?
Atmika, why are you doing like this?
Daddy! Don't do it! Daddy! Please! I'll take care of her. I took her from there and went.
What I do, dear?
It was a big shock for us. There is a change in her behavior also.
What a noise that is. Who's that? Whose noise is that? Anyone is there? Ah! Ah! Charu! Charu! Please come here!
Lata, what happened there? Lata, where are you? लता हाँ? लता 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 आदमी का
Hello? Hello? What?
Uncle.
What happened? Tell me.
Atmika.
Admika? What happened here?
Atmika.
What?
Uncle. Atmika killed mom and dad.
My God. I will come soon. Don't be scared.
I can't explain. Please come fast. Please,
I will
uncle.
I'll come soon.
I don't know
worry.
what to do.
I will come.
Please, uncle.
Please don't be panicking. I will come.
Uncle. 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 She's behind you. Uncle, uncle, what we will do, uncle? How can we protect her? My younger sister, uncle. We can't kill her also. We can't hand over to police also. What we can do now? Now I have only one relation. That is my younger sister only.
Listen to me. Admika should be converted into a clean slate.
Clean slate means?
Like a white paper.
That means?
What we write on that paper only will be in her mind. For that, first we have to shift from here. This case should be rewritten as if the security did all the murders.
Oh no, uncle, I don't know anything.
Just follow what I say. Okay?
Okay.
Charu,
Uncle,
the case should be rewritten that it was the security killed them. At the time you are not here. It should be registered in the FIR. Okay?
okay, uncle.
मूर्ति मूर्ति Where are you?
That night, security only killed everyone. Like that, we changed everything. After that, Atmiya was shifted to Chennai and giving treatment in front of us only. Whatever job you did, no, that made us come here only.
Hello, what I did? I did help. It's wrong.
For finding that only, right? Come.
Ma'am, what is this? Is this Ashwini?
Don't make any noise. Come with me.
Who is that? Come fast. Ma'am, come fast. Ma'am, door is locked. What happened to Ashwini?
Don't make noise. First, we have to get out from here.
Ma'am, this is your house. You have to tell how to go outside.
Ma'am, pull it fast.
Do something, Karthik. Oh my God.
We never go outside. Every doors and windows are locked.
What we will do? How we will go out?
Madam, I think she left outside.
Yeah, she's not there. Come, we can go out. Come,
I'm regretting for this case, ma'am.
Shh. Shut up your mouth. In the first half, you give so much build up. Now, second half, you're crying.
Madam, how do I know? My lover has such a big flashback.
What? What you told lover?
Madam, see there. See.
Charu? Shh. Come. You, where I put my gun, I don't know.
What? What are you saying? Why are you going to kill your sister?
As you think it's not shooting gun, it's anesthesia gun. Look, Karthik, now we don't have time. We'll go outside first and we'll talk then.
Okay. Is there any way to go outside?
No, there is no other way, only one way.
Okay, come.
Just see, she's there or not. Oh no.
Ma'am, there is only one way. That is to break the door. Otherwise, no way. Please believe me, I will be back.
No,
Huh?
Karthik, don't leave me
Please,
alone. No,
please
please,
listen to me.
please.
I will be back,
Don't leave
believe
me
me.
alone. Please. No, don't
Ashwini?
go. Karthik!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Karthik.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Karthik, this is my karma's result only. What happened is,
What are you saying, ma'am?
actually what happened is, yes, my sister was like that. No, I couldn't bear that one. So I sent that report to my friend. She gets shocked after seeing the report. Sister didn't get the disease naturally. Someone forced and did this one. After knowing this, I called Rajendran uncle.
Hello?
Hello, uncle. What you did to my sister? Which tablet you gave to my sister?
It's just a normal tablet only. Nothing to worry.
Don't tell me lie. I'm not a small kid that you can tell me anything. I have sent the report to my friend. Now I came to know every truth. I'm going to tell everything to my dad. Cut the call.
Hey! Don't tell to them. Please listen to me. Please.
What?
Please trust me. Okay. Please come and meet immediately. I will tell you directly. Come on. I told you to come immediately. Come.
Please. Don't try to convince my mind.
Come first directly. We will discuss. Charu,
Uncle, what are you doing to my sister?
Why this much amount is credited? Uncle, why this much amount?
everything has its price in this world, Charu. How much you want, I will give. But I want your sister for my research.
Research? What research?
Let's take their brain data to be affected schizophrenia disease and match it to another. By matching, they will also be affected in that disease. Then we will cure them by giving them an alternative medicine. But my bad luck, till my research not successful. But here was the first success. It was only your sister. Yes, your sister Almiga.
My younger sister.
Yes, that's a fact. She's sister only for you. For me and my investors, look, she is just experimental material. There is nothing to be afraid of. You don't know the value of your sister. Foreign investors are ready to invest crores for this research. Earn a lot and live as you like. If only this research is successful, then I am good to at the world's #1 psychiatrist. That's only me. We have everything in this world. But your sister is very important.
Whatever you are talking, I'm getting scared of this. Uncle, there will be no harm in sister's life, right?
Nothing to worry. After this research is completed and hand over your sister is safely, that's my duty. No worries.
Uncle, I'm going now. I trust you. I'll handle maximum whatever I can do. Younger sister is very small. As much as fast you can finish the research, it will be helpful for me.
Look, Charu, you remember one thing. You and Atmika like my daughters. I'll take care. You should not discuss this research with anyone, including your parents. Go.
Okay, uncle.
Hi, Frank. One good news. I got the sample. I will tell you shortly. Hi, Frank.
Hi, Raja.
We are almost done. We are going to take data from the brain on the affected schizophrenia disease. Take that brain and transfer into the client.
Yes, proceed.
I will show you. Wait. This red color brain is the affected brain of Atmika. On this side, blue color, disinfected, pure brain. For example, client 1, client 2, client 3. We are going to take data from this affected brain and store it in the memory bank. Take the data from the memory bank, again client 1, client 2, client 3. We are going to transfer all of them. Like this weird transfer, they will also suffer from this severe disease. After all, no one in this world has an antidote for this disease except us. One more. Globally, worldwide, our business is large in global market.
Yeah, it's a good project. We can start immediately.
Okay, do.
Uncle used her for the research. I also supported him for that.
Ma'am? Ashwini? 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 Ashwini?
Everything is because of me. Why should I give the case file to you? Why should I give the book to you? If I had not given you any of this, lifelong, you will be my Ashwini, right?